Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And when people mess with the wrong cops, you'll see how reckless decisions and disrespect toward law enforcement lead to instant consequences. These real-life encounters show how quickly situations can spiral when people choose the wrong path. What initially appeared to be a routine check at a Walmart parking lot quickly spiraled out of control. The man was arrested for suspicious behavior while intoxicated, but he later recklessly attacked officers inside the booking area, grabbed a taser, and attempted to escape before being subdued again. Defying the law and attempting to flee custody only led to more severe consequences. And Rose is a clear example of that.
Hey, breaking. Put one cup on him. What are you doing? Why are you handcuffing me? What's going on? Why are you handcuffing me? Why? What's going on? Get on the ground. What are you doing? What do you want? I'm good.
Police approached a suspect armed with a weapon who was causing a disturbance in public. Despite repeated commands to drop the weapon, he ignored all instructions. The situation escalated when he attempted to attack the officers, forcing police to open fire to stop him. Disregarding the law is never a wise choice. A tense situation unfolded in San Diego when Denim attacked a person with a knife and then continued aggressive behavior toward police. Despite being ordered to stop and drop the weapon, he refused to comply and even swung a metal chain at a police vehicle. The law does not tolerate assaults on law enforcement, and Denim paid a heavy price for his reckless actions.
I'm going to shoot you. Do you understand that? Get down now. You come close, I'm going to shoot you. Get down! No! Sir, get on the ground! Get on the ground! I'm going to shoot you! Shots fired!
A volatile incident occurred at the intersection of Baltimore and Gay when a woman deliberately attacked police officers. She drove her vehicle directly at two officers, and after being ordered to exit the car, she refused to cooperate, continued resisting, and even spat on Sergeant Higley. The situation worsened when she physically assaulted officers. Resisting and attacking police only escalated the situation and ultimately led to her arrest. The law will not tolerate such behavior. Police responded to reports of a man attacking others with a knife. Despite repeated commands, he refused to cooperate and even threw a knife toward officers. Facing a serious threat, officers were forced to open fire to stop him. Resisting and attacking police, especially while armed, not only escalates the situation, but also results in severe legal consequences.
Drop it now! Drop it!
Charles, talk to me. Talk to me.
Give yourself a second, Bob. You got it.
Show me your hands! Do it now! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Police made contact with a suspect who openly advanced toward them while holding a knife. In the end, the law showed no leniency towards someone who chose to resist. Standing in the middle of an intersection with a knife and challenging police has never ended well. The man ignored all commands, repeatedly demanded that officers shoot him, and advanced in an aggressive stance, quickly pushing the situation out of control. After numerous failed attempts to gain compliance, police were forced to use decisive force.
Stop, dude. Drop the knife, dude. Drop the knife, dude. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. We're trying to help you out, dude. What's up? We're gonna talk to you. We're gonna talk to you. Drop it, dude. Stop, dude. Drop the knife, dude. You got it? Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. We're trying to help you out, dude. What's up? We're gonna talk to you. We're gonna talk. Get on the floor, dude. Turn around. Turn around.
A bold theft at a Sephora store quickly turned into a high-speed chase. The pursuit ended just moments later in a residential area of Union City when the vehicle crashed into a yard and rammed multiple police cars. Theft, fleeing, and resisting law enforcement only made the consequences far more severe.
Hey, stop, stop, stop! Stop!
But you're not going to go under arrest. Don't worry about that. I promise you. Yeah.
In Modesto, Harvey threatened his father and barricaded himself in a room with a knife, forcing police to negotiate for several minutes in an attempt to de-escalate the situation. However, Harvey suddenly rushed out and attacked officers with the knife. Chaos followed and police were forced to open fire. Defying the law and resorting to violence only makes the price far heavier.
Can you do me a favor? Can we come out of this room? Can we go out of this room? Yeah. I'll tell you why. I don't like this room. Here's why. Stop. Dylan. Another gunshot. Dylan. Why does that knife?
An attempted arrest in Harlem quickly descended into chaos on the street. Interfering with a police arrest soon led to regret. The woman attacked a detective, prompting 2 others to join in. In the end, the suspect was wanted and 2 women were arrested for obstruction. A clear reminder that interfering with law enforcement only makes situations spiral out of control. What began as a routine investigative arrest escalated into disorder. She had assaulted a waitress at Hooters, and when police attempted to arrest her, she resisted and argued with officers while her companion aggressively interfered. Ultimately, both were handcuffed and faced legal consequences for their actions.
Racist ass people, bitch, I hope you have no shit on.
Yelling, making threats, and interfering with police while they are performing their duties only causes situations to spiral out of control. As expected, after those actions, she was arrested and held accountable under the law. That wraps up when people messed with the wrong cops. What do you think about these situations? Were the outcomes justified, or could things have ended differently? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.